ABC Educational Channel. Let's have a speaking practice. I can jump.
I can jump.
I like ice cream.
I like ice cream.
I can run fast.
I can run fast.
I love my dog.
I love my dog.
I am sad.
I am sad.
I have a dog.
I have a dog.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I see a bird.
I see a bird.
I play outside.
I play outside.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I have a bike.
I have a bike.
I read books.
I read books.
I am kind.
I am kind.
I have a ball.
I have a ball.
I see the moon.
I see the moon.
I am a good friend.
I am a good friend.
I like to draw.
I like to draw.
I love my mom.
I love my mom.
I love my dad.
I love my dad.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I like grapes.
I like grapes.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I see the sun.
I see the sun.
I like to swim.
I like to swim.
I can write.
I can write.
I read stories.
I read stories.
I can sing.
I can sing.
I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
I drink milk.
I drink milk.
I go to bed.
I go to bed.
I play with my toys.
I play with my toys.
I see the stars.
I see the stars.
I play soccer.
I play soccer.
I have a toy.
I have a toy.
I have a crayons.
I have a crayons.
I am funny.
I am funny.
I have a book.
I have a book.
I like pizza.
I like pizza.
I buy shoes.
I buy a shoes.
I like to dance.
I like to dance.
She is beautiful.
She is beautiful.
I love my brother.
I love my brother.
She is very kind.
She is very kind.
The house is big.
The house is big.
I like to paint.
I like to paint.
I am brave.
I am brave.
I play games.
I play games.
I see a plane.
I see a plane.
I have a pencil.
I have a pencil.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I see a car.
I see a car.
I love my sister.
I love my sister.
I have a backpack.
I have a backpack.
I eat my lunch.
I eat my lunch.
Until our next speaking adventure.